Hello. So I'm going to do another one of those floral scapes that I did a few days ago, where I swiped the bottom half and the upper half was like a cloudy thing. So I'm going to do that again. So here we go. So I've taken some white paint and added some blue. And I didn't mix it all the way so it would have like a swirly effect. Okay. This is white with a little bit of brown added to it. And I'm gonna remove some of the paint from the area that I would like a flower to be, because there's just way too much paint there to do a balloon roll. There we go. So I'm just removing it and wiping it off. There we go. That looks good. Set that aside. Okay. So these colors, just gonna drizzle along. This will be the garden underneath the colors. Now I don't have any mixed up, so I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay. I can never get this bottle open. Open says me. Okay. So I have my Amsterdam paint. Oops. You just get really nice results with it. So there's about half a teaspoon there. And I'm going to add about 3 times that in Floetrol. Now I have American Floetrol, so I usually add 2 to 3 drops of Minwax wood conditioner. 1, 2, 3. I keep it in here just for ease of use. And you have to mix it up really well until it's nice and fluffy. Yes, you can do this with other paints. Adding just Floetrol really helps with lacing and things like that, the effects that you're looking for. But there's something about Amsterdam. There's just something about it that just really works well. And you can do any color Amsterdam and get these really excellent lacy effects. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take like an old business card or appointment card. You can even use plastic, whatever you like. You can use your palette if you want, just dip it in there. But I'm just going to use a card and dip it in there. And it's all over just one side. Can you see that? It's just on one side. See? And then I wipe it off. And then I'm going to dip it again. I love it. All right, let's see if we can get rid of some of that. It's just a little too much stuff right there. So you want to remove it. I'm not really paying attention here. Okay. Oh, that look, can you see that? Let me bring in. Can you see that? Just look at that. Okay. See, I've got you on a tripod. Okay. That looks just so cool. Okay, so now I'm done with that part. Got stuff everywhere, really. I've been just making painting after painting today. I don't know what's gotten into me. Okay, so wiping my balloon off. Now I'm going to put my finger in here and basically just kind of hold on to the balloon. Okay. Now I'm going to drizzle some paint onto the balloon. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, you can see. Just some colors, not a lot of paint because it's not going to take a lot. I'm just putting it on there. I'm even going to put some vermilion on there. Okay. Oop. First balloon roll. Alright, wish me luck. Yes! That's wonderful! Yay! It's the I know. It's the little things in life. Alright, let's do that again. Woo! There it is. I love it. So when this dries, I plan on embellishing it. Hello. So I finished this piece yesterday and it's all dry, and I'm going to go ahead and embellish it today. And I have a special guest with me today. It's Frankie. Say hi, Frankie. Hi, Frankie. So he will be helping me today. I don't really like the cats up on my table, but he just left and I'm happy about that. Okay. Let me get this all set up again. Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna embellish the flowers and add some stems and leaves. So I think we should get started.